Okay. Customize animations. Let's see. Download. Oh, so they're already. All right. Oh. Okay. On slide 1, display the diamond entrance effect to the slide title. Okay, so this is my slide title. Animation, diamond entrance. Let's see. I don't see a diamond entrance effect. Maybe you don't have the exact effect. Make sure it's not here. No, it doesn't have it there. So this might be a I don't see it. You can do the animations pane. It has a shape effect. So clicked on shape. Okay. And set the direction to out. Right? Effect options. Okay, here we go. Here it is. All right, so I've selected shape from up here. All right, that's my first thing for my title. But now I'm going to come in here into my animations pane. Okay, we have some effect options as well that we can now address. There we go. And we want the effect going out. Okay, so it should look like that. All right, copy the animation from the slide title to the slide subtitle. Okay, so animation painter, there we go. Okay, switch to the reading view and preview the animation effects by hitting the tab. There we go. Switch back to the normal view by hitting escape. Display slide 2, and then click anywhere in the bulleted list on the left. Okay. I'll look over here. This is my content placeholder 4. Okay. All right. Display the animation pane. Right click animation 1. Okay. And then click effect options. All right. So effect options is right here. So I've clicked in the first one. Okay. Number 1. Then I've come over here to my effect options and open the circle dialog box. Okay. In the circle dialog box, do the following. Okay. I want to apply a chime sound. Right. I want to dim the text color to red after the animation. Okay, after animation, dim to red. I want to animate the text by letter. Okay, let's see. Text animations, all at once by letter. Okay, set the duration to 3 seconds. So timing, up it to 3 seconds. Okay, I'm going to preview. Ooh, my. By the chime sound. Wonder why it did it so many times. But there we go. That did it. Okay. Because it's so slow. I don't know. Interesting. All right. I'm going to make sure that it's only applied at this one. Okay. All right. Watch the effects of the changes, the animation. Shape doesn't work very well with the selected effects, so let's adjust them. Yep, it's a lot of noise all at once. On the slide, click the left content placeholder again. Notice the animation pane from the bullet point has selected. Apply the float in entrance animation to the entire placeholder. So that's this entire placeholder. I'm going to apply the float in. Okay. There we go. That's better. Okay. In the float up dialog box, do the following. My float up dialog box. Do the following. Okay, so this is the one that's floating up. I come over here. I apply the chime sound here. Okay. All right. So I've done that. I've applied the chime. I'm going to dim to red. Dim the text. Well, let me do this real quick. Okay. After animation, dim to red. Animate text by letter still. Oh, by letter. And then set the duration to 1 second this time. Okay. Preview the animation. Oh. Well, there you go. Okay. That's what they all do differently. All right. So now we're going to copy the MFX of the bullet point on the left to the right. So animation painter. There we go. Okay, we're going to switch to the reading view. We're going to okay. So these didn't dim to red properly. After animation. Okay. Well, all right. This is it. Go to the beginning. We're going to go through our reading view, and this is what it looks like. Okay, it didn't appropriately dim, though. I didn't get this dim part. The escape key. Okay. They are, though, actually, because they start off black and then they dim to red. All right. We'll do it a little slider one. Yeah, it does dim to red after. Okay, there we go. All right, go ahead and save this and you'll submit. That's a lot of chime.